Kits Crows.
Okay, so time to go to work. That. Hang on, got my glasses. Ooh, snowing very lightly. Just like leaving a layer of powder is so fine I can barely see it, but it's snowing. I got an umbrella at work if I need it. I'm not going to bring it with me now. So I want to get some eggs and maybe some broccoli after work if I remember. I want the space in my bag. Huh. This is neat. Oh, there you are. There's Burke. And the chickens are sleeping in. Or staying warm. Because it's chilly and a little bit snowy. Look at all this powder. It was so sunny yesterday. I was hoping we'd get some more snow. It's not really amounting to much yet. But, yeah, it was still cold yesterday, so I knew snow was still possible. The skies are all gray now. Full of more snow, hopefully. Well, I'm almost at work. Just me and one other coworker, because one of our coworkers, she's going to a wedding for the next 4 days. I won't see her till Monday. I hope she has a lot of fun. She's traveling to Tennessee. Okay, obviously I'm off work now. I'm leaving Grocery Outlet at the moment. So they had cheap eggs and broccoli, which is what I was looking for. And I got a few other fun odds and ends, just because I don't make it up this way too often. So it's kind of gray and cloudy. We had some big snowflakes earlier when I was working. Now I'm just seeing like 1 or 2 tiny flakes here and there. It didn't stick. I was hoping for a real snow. This is gray all around. I'd like it to do something again. That was fun with the big flakes. Walking behind Henry's funeral home right now. Sun's trying to peek out through all this gray. I think that's what scared away the snow. But I'm on my way home. It's chilly, but it's a nice walk. Hey. One sec. I got treats for you. Hang on. I gotta get at them. They're awkwardly in my bag. I wasn't ready. Okay, one sec. Put a little bit here. Okay, there you go. Am I far enough yet? I'm still backing up. Well, where are you going? What are you doing? Well, maybe you'll get it in a while. I'm pretty sure they came to me. He's way back there. Right there. Well, it's there if you want it. He went back. Is he going to get it? I'm sure he saw it. So I was kind of looking at the other one. I wasn't looking at my screen. Oh, what are you doing? Okay. I guess not. There's one. Don't know where you're going. Oh, there's a party. Bunches of crows. Huh. Dang, no one's coming to me. I was sure that one was going to get the treat. Uh-oh, loose dogs. I do not know whose dogs those are. Hope they don't come to me. There's a lot of crows. Hey, doggies. Oh, I think they're coming to me. Hi, doggy. Hi. You got out, didn't you? I don't know whose dogs you are. What are you doing? Hi, you want to sniff? You want to sniff me? No? Okay. At least they're friendly. I was afraid I was going to get bit. The lady just yelled at the dogs, "Get back in here!" So at least they're safe. That was quickly resolved. I'm glad. They were nice doggies. Well, I'm nearly home now. About a block and a half away. Hey. Oh, I can barely see you up there. I don't know if you'll see my treats. Maybe if they follow. You should come down where I can see you. Right there. There's a second one in there too. Right there. I'm hoping they might follow. I don't know if they'll see it. Hey! Maybe they are following. Okay, I'm gonna leave a treat here and hope they get it. Just put it off of the street right there. Okay, it's up to you now. Ooh, don't blur. Hey, I think one of them's gonna get it. I was backing up. Yeah. Good. Yummy. Enjoy your lunch. Buddy's up there somewhere.
Bye-bye!
Bye.